bullets to destroy that.
Okay, cool.
Okay, shooting top pressure. Loading. Eh, umalis! Never mind.
Ma.
Shooting pressure. Breakable ba yan?
Wait, defend me. Mag-shoot, magdadunk ako ng, ng solar, never mind.
I got nuke,
Never.
bro.
Oh, fuck me.
They're here.
By the way, you-
I might die. I might die.
Missile, walang
I
damage.
really might die.
No, you're not gonna die.
Never mind.
Pong.
Oh, po.
Supercharge ako. Papatay kong boss. Yung boss, lupit ko na.
Okay. Where's the thing?
Ay, second phase. Second phase.
Oh, doggies.
Shoot him.
Dead. Oh, shit. Fuck.
Oh my god, ang marami.
May rocket launcher ka?
Why am I shooting the allies?
Naubos na ammo, I'm dead. Nahulugan ako ng drop pad. Nahulugan ako ng drop
Nice.
pad. Wow. Hindi pala yun?
Yes.
Ano na akong treasure? Ubus na pala.
Okay, kill that treasure, please.
Oh, no, why am I fire?
Okay.
No!
I need to find ammo. I need to find ammo.
I'm dead.
Shoot behind me, shoot behind me, shoot behind me.
I'm gonna melee him. Ay, mataas damage sa likod niya.
May turret sa likod natin. Do
Don't
not die.
Togs.
Don't die, Toby. Don't die.
Don't die,
Just
Togs.
don't die.
We're dead. We're both dead. No!
No!
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well.
Nalikod ako dyan.
Shut the fuck up!
God.
I got 92 kills!
So,
Shut the fuck up!
Oh. Wait, walang ano? Oh, so we just walang risk, walang ano? Dang.
yeah.
What we do? What?
Yeah,
No,
go
you
to the
stay
elevator. I'll stay there actually. Yeah.
Para ano, you'll use the nuke buttons from below. Deactivate mo na rin. Parang Warframe. Go down there
Yeah.
para may hacking.
There's Glimmer here.
Also, your favorite band is over there. Like, go down, jump
Yep.
there. It's supported by Wheatley. Wheatley pa paano nun yun?
Yep.
Andiyan rin si Taylor Swift.
Magkakaroon ng turrets
There!
now.
You already...
Good. Turn down. Wait, you try ko yung nuke and treasure kanina. Apparently, invulnerable pala yun.
How do I trigger my...
Nice. Okay,
So,
teleport na siya.
Why
Ano
can't
na
I
siya
use
sa taas?
my...
Yep.
Okay, kailangan natin pumunta. Oh, bro. Forgot.
Start down.
Okay, papatay natin yung biggest dude.
Which one? The black one?
Okay, wait. Sige, I'll use the shield. Nice.
Yan. Come on, yoke. Invulnerable yan.
Oh, yeah, kailangan natin mag-dump ng charge.
Disable that shield. We're
Ah,
sending
shucks.
backup here.
Uy, merong prisoners dito. Pero ito makuha.
Yeah, actually, you need to dunk though. Ito na sa akin. I'm gonna dunk. Ah!
I'm trying to get its attention. It worked.
Okay, pwede natin i-damage. Sige. Saan ka? Inaatake ka ng treasure? No. Wait, sana si Brachus. Okay, dito tayo sa gitna. Behind me, go. Behind me.
Okay.
Sige.
We're being attacked from...
Okay na.
Fucking turrets, man.
Disable ko siya with that. Sige. Joke lang.
Okay.
Oh my...
He's using the turrets.
Na-shotgun ko siya.
Okay. Saan siya?
Why am I...
Sit down.
Sige, siya.
Dahil lang ginawasan ko ng marami.
Why am I shooting you?
Dapat pala.
Sabihin mo kung malapit yung may supercharge ako.
Sige. Ito nandito yung yung may charge.
Oh?
Ah! Help me!
Oh shit.
Bakit?
Bigyan kita ng shield.
Ako yung tinapunan ng grenade. Ako yung tinapunan ni El ng grenade.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
Ano man wala nag-drop na special ammo na purple? Career?
That's not special ammo. That's just
Heavy.
That's just heavy ammo.
Oh, yeah, wala. Wala nag-spot sa akin.
Okay, so dito si Bracus and he's gonna die. Boom. Okay. Kill it. Nice one. Nagano ka? Nag-drop ka ng well? Ano, L?
Yes.
Nice.
Dab me up.
Nice.
One head, Deborah. Yes, Vex Hydra do. There's an old Earth mythological creature that. Never mind.
You would do well to leave your hide site to better understand our enemies.
I'll do that.
Parang may taas ang heartbeat ko.
That's just a normal strike mission, by the way.
That's just... Oh no, hindi ko nakuha yung engram.
Hindi, makuha mo yun sa Postmaster.
Oh, nice. Ba ma-recommend for insane si El? Pero base na ganun. Insane.
I cannot get over stress yung clip sa akin.
Oh, wouldn't.
Get on top of the elevator.
Kasama mo doon sa Minecraft. Oh my God. Papa.
Naiyak ako, tangina.
Wait, nasa ano ba tayo? Okay, we're on orbit. Let me just change my loadout. Patingin ako ng quests mo ulit. L.
Am I not streaming?
Exalting the flame. Okay, patingin nga, mouse over mo siya. Okay, so yan, okay, yan na yung last part. Sige. Okay. Okay, punta ka sa inventory mo. May papakita ko sa'yo. Press, no. Just, no, that's not. Yun, nakita mo yung arrow sa left. Pinaka-left ng screen mo. May arrow. Yan. Click that. Yan, pwede mo i-save yung loadout na yan.
What loadout?
Yeah, yung suit mo. Yung that hodgepodge of gear that you call a loadout.
Loadout. Wow. God.
God damn! Oh shit, sorry.
God.
How do I save it?
You just press the plus, the any of it. Just
Okay.
save it. And yeah, it's saved. Hooray. Now, i-equip mo yung arc subclass mo. Equip mo yung
No.
arc subclass mo.
No.
Come on.
No.
Eat your veggies.
No.
Eat your veggies. Eat your broccoli.
No.
Equip your arc subclass.
Hey, I eat my veggies, but no.
Equip your arc class.
This is a sitcom right now, Yuk. This is a sitcom.
Okay.
You see this?
Sige, ganito.
No.
Magsimula tayo sa armor. Sige. Yung Starfire Protocol mo, i-mouse over mo yan. Nakita mo yung isang exotic armor mo? Ano yan?
Dismantle.
Each target you defeat with Storm Trance increases the damage. Oh my gosh. That's cool. Okay. Yan. Actually, i-equip mo yan.
Bakit sinungaling yung stats ni El? Hayang discipline yan. Hindi ako maniwala. Sinungaling yan.
Yeah, i-upgrade mo. Kaya mo i-upgrade yun to 6. Sino mo kakilan yung glimmer mo?
Did you see
May 10k ka. Mayroon kang 10k.
Lim.
Congratulations. Congratulations. You have made,
You want me to equip that?
Equip mo lang. Equip it. Upgrade mo siya to level 5.
Okay.
Actually, kung hanggang saan mo siya kaya i-upgrade. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hanggang dun lang.
Yes.
Imagine.
Yes. Okay. Now, i-equip mo yung arc subclass. Equip mo. Come on. Just equip
Do it.
No.
Just do it.
Ni 9 energy na yan. Ni 9
No.
niya yan.
No.
Oo nga, ito ang pangit yung
Yes.
stats ng helmet na yan. Equip it, yes.
yan?
Right click mo. Right click mo yung ano. Right click mo yung yan. That's right click. Okay. Yung super mo, unahin natin yung super mo. Storm Trance, okay, that's good. Keep it that way.
Okay.
Rift, patingin ako ng Rift mo. Healing, okay, that's good. Yung melee, patingin ako ng melee. Chain Lightning, Jolts and Chains Lightning Amplified, okay. Ano yung pangalawa? Ano yung other melee mo? Ball Lightning releases a perpendicular. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. Ikaw bala. Like both like do the same thing. Okay. Storm Grenade is good. You just Storm Grenade is good, I guess. Or Skip Grenade actually. Hanapin mo yung Skip Grenade. Yan, yeah, that's the one. Okay, aspects. Okay, pa-mouse over ako. Arc Soul. Oh, yeah, malakas yan. That gives you, wait lang. Babasahin ko muna. Okay. Cast your Rift to create an Arc Soul that fires at targets in. Okay, so basically meron kang turret. Alis ka to get an Arc Soul. Okay, cool. Pati na ako nung second one. While sliding, activate your charge melee ability to blink forward, calling down lightning strikes that jolt targets as you rematerialize. Oh. Okay. Pati na ako nung last one.
The brain.
Defeating targets with arc abilities creates an ionic trace. Collecting an ionic trace makes you amplified. I think mas bet ko yan. Okay. So, ganito. Ibigay mo kay Toby yung fire team thing, yung fire team leader. Tapos gagawin natin yung ano niya, yung shadow keep niya na campaign.
Oh.
Okay. We're gonna do shadow keep. Go to the moon.
Saan ka punta? To the moon.
What? Ano yan? Maps? Quest?
Destinations. Destination. Actually, pati ako ng quests mo. Sige. Tapos yung quests mo, yeah. That's the one. Next page. What the heck? Isa ka pa eh. Exalting the flame mo, di pa tapos. Yung ginawa namin kanina eh. What the heck are you doing?
Isa ka pa.
What the fuck?
Oh, I don't know what this. I don't even know.
Yun yung kanina pa namin ginagawa.
Yung ba yun?
Actually, yes.
Oh
Yung
my
ginawa
God.
natin yan yun eh.
Oh, yeah?
No!
We're doing it. Okay,
Oh my
okay,
gosh.
how about this? Since itong Solar Scorch Supers, parang magawa ko naman yun, no? Like solo lang.
Yes, actually, mas kaya kitang i-assist dyan because I am Titan main. So, hindi katulad yung kanina na yung build ni El, hinuhulaan ko yun eh. I'm not sure if that's even effective. Pati ang next page mo.
He can do that while...
Oh, yun. You have Legacy Shadow Keep. So, yeah. Click that. Yes. Okay, but before we do that, press I. Titignan ko yung build mo.
There's like 19
Okay.
steps sa Shadow Keep. Kale.
I-equip mo yung equip mo yung solar subclass mo.
Oh no. Oh.
So, equip mo yung... Don't tell me na maarte ka. Don't tell me maarte ka. Maarte ka din. yung gloves mo, tanggalin mo. Yung gloves mo.
Ay, salamat. Ay, di ko talaga gusto ng gloves na to.
Yeah,
Ano
you
check
just
ko?
use yung preferably yung may resilience ang pinakamataas na stat.
Itong pinakamataas niya.
Okay. So
Oh
sa
my
chest mo,
God! It looks...
it looks good.
It looks so... It looks like parang galing sa Artful Out movie. Just lagay ko lang sa laro. Look at this shit. It looks like... Is that even an antenna or ziplock? Parang...
Now you know. Now you know how I feel.
What is this?
No, you're a
Yung-
titan. You're not supposed to look good.
Hindi, alam mo yung lock? Yung parang chain ginalagay mga hiker? Yung matas-taas ng right shoulder niya?
Yan yung keychain, panlagay ng keychain.
Oh my God.
Yan yung panlock ng pintuan eh.
Ano may change ang color nito at least?
Yeah, you
Lock
can.
na- Ayan, no, ito.
Okay.
Okay,
Yung
mga
chest mo,
at least.
yung chest armor mo, i-equip mo yung Crest of Alpha Lupi. The second one. Yes, that's the one. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Equip mo yan. May iba ka ba pang exotic armor?
Ito.
No, that's not, no.
Just no.
Helmet? Pwede yung helmet?
Oh.
Oh, meron kang Caprice Horn. Oh my gosh, no. Sige, right-click mo yung Crest of Alpha Loop, yung chest armor mo. No, not
Right.
that one. No, yeah, that one. Okay. Grants an additional orb of power from supers and a healing pulse when barricade is... Oh, okay. Huh.
Ito lang? Or yung isa?
Yeah, actually, I think that's good. It's an additional. So, pero kailangan mo mag-super build. Sige, escape.
Pero hindi ko naayos yung,
Right-click. Yung
hindi ko naayos yung mga stats niya. Kung anong...
Yeah, we're gonna do that later. Yung i-right-click mo muna yung solar subclass mo. Yes. Nabili mo ba lahat? Please tell me nabili mo lahat. What? Why are you doing this?
Kaya mo feeling namatay siya. This is limbo.
Punta tayo sa tower. Punta natin si Ikora. Pupuntahan natin si Ikora. My gosh. No, not there. Actually, never mind. It doesn't matter.
Oh my God. Is it?
Ah! Akala ko binili mo lahat eh.
Oh, I did.
Sa
So, I did sa void.
void lang. Isa ka pa eh.
Part 2.
This is literally what we did. Like nung wala ka. Ito yung ginawa namin kanina.
Alam mo yung 2 times sa charm? Excuse me.
Okay,
I'm
puntahan mo si
dying.
Ikora. Puntahan mo si Ikora. Surely
Nasa
naman,
baba?
alam mo kung nasaan siya. Oh my gosh.
So, sa baba?
Yes. No,
Okay.
no,
Sorry,
no. No, right.
No,
Sige,
come
go. Yes, so naman si
Di ba siya yung para may meditation?
Yes, siya yun. That's her.
Yung Wakanda girl.
Okay, may meditation. Maalala ko dito siya. Ay,
No!
wrong Wakanda girl, wrong Wakanda girl. That's,
Yan.
Loyalty to the best
Okay.
does not go
Bilin mo lahat. Buy everything.
be our eyes.
So,
Yes.
Ito ba ito sa aspects?
Aspects, yes. Buy it. Buy everything. Oh my gosh, hindi mo mabibili lahat. I can already tell. Si El nga 300k, tas 10k na lang natira.
Oh
Sige,
my
just
God.
buy everything.
Pero
buy everything.
dalawang subclasses na yun. Yung 300k,
Okay.
diba?
Yeah, just sige, kasya pala. Sige,
Let's do this.
just buy everything. Just
Okay,
buy
stop that.
everything. Everything! No! Everything!
I never touch this again.
Yes. Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay. Oh my God. Actually, sa void, di ko ba nabay lahat ng movement nun?
Are you kidding me?
I think parang may kulang ako dun sa void. Question mark?
I don't know how to use my ult sa flame thing, sa
Sa?
solar.
Ginamit mo kanina.
Yeah.
Ah,
I have no idea what I
balik-
did. Wait, let me...
Balik tayo sa aspects. Nabili mo na ba yung aspects?
Welcome home, Warren.
yes.
Let us
Okay, nabili mo na. So, sige. Sa fragments, sige. Yeah, just buy it. Just buy everything. Just kahit maubos glimmer mo, it's fine. You don't need it.
You don't need.
You don't need it. Surely.
Should I at least get the important ones?
I want
10, 9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7, oh no.
6,
6,
5,
this is bad.
4,
4,
for this
3,
what a guardian.
1.
1.
Hooray!
Sakto. I have literally less than 10. This is sakto. This is pure sakto.
Hooray!
That's literally what happened earlier, yung naligo ka.
Oh my god. Meron pa pala ako, hindi nakuha ba? Oh my god.
Okay, you're done. Just meditate. Just meditate, man. Just meditate on how much glimmer you've lost.
Lost. Everything.
Okay. So, sige, buksan mo yung solar ulit mo. Yung, yeah.